Okay, it's Chris, Danielle. We're here to show you how to make this beautiful sign. So Danny, she came up with all the how-to on how to do this after research and stuff. And during the video, we'll show you what her expert research produced, or how it produced this, which we painted our home in red, meaning hardiness. I'm sorry, went blank there. White for purity and blue for justice. Basically the American flag. So y'all guys stay tuned. We'll get into it. So, to get your words on the board without buying expensive templates, or what are they called, babe?
Stencils.
Stencils.
Yeah, stencil.
You just etch around, print off the words on sheet paper, etch around, and then when you're ready, you can actually see the outline of the words. It's going to be hard to see, but you can see it.
Yeah, you'll be able to paint it if you look at it. It's right here. It's just been grooved in. There's the H. Here's the O I'm working on right now.
So,
yeah.
And this will save you a lot of money.
It takes a lot longer, but it is kind of fun. It's fun, you know? It's a project.
Yep. And she alternates and lets me do it when her hand becomes tired.
Right.
Okay, so we used one of these type sponge brushes to color in the home after we traced it onto the board. And now she's doing touch-up because I'm sloppy. So
I'm not trying to be perfect at it. I want it still looking kind of rough looking. Just filling in some areas.
just says I'm a little too rough. So I'm going to finish this up and then I'm going to print out the next row. We have to make sure we size the font properly because the next two rows are a lot bigger words in the phrase. Okay, if you notice, I took and cut the tip of this off so I could do the smaller letters. With bigger letters, this wide one was fine, but going in here and doing these small letters, you have to really get in there. And the hard part is keeping it looking rough and staying in the lines that you drew that are hard to see.
You're doing such a great job.
I went out the line a little bit there. This is going to be a very big top D.
The sponges work best.
They do. And for this project, we're not looking for, we're looking to keep it looking rustic, and also we want some of the texture of the wood to transfer through the paint. I think we got that. Getting a regular stencil and just spraying over it would probably be a lot quicker, but it probably wouldn't get the desired effect. Okay guys, really hope y'all enjoyed this. Me and her, we had a lot of fun doing this, and hopefully if you like this, or you have comments or feedbacks, leave it below. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. Looks like that. And y'all, please take care.